Hi guys, today we're gonna play Pilot Training Flight Simulator. Is one of my favorites to play in my laptop. Like, it's so easy that you actually get to train. Like, the first thing you need, the first beginner, it's just like Connecta or that or something. Yeah, that's very, very good for your beginning. But my beginning is kind of not to my head. It was the Air Force One. And this game was my favorite. And I did my first landing. It was hard. I had to go like this, just to get a bad, like, a normal speed, like a land speed. Oh, what the heck is going on again? Like, I think I'm a hacker because my character is bad. But what is this thing? Did it load it already? Or it didn't? Wait, I can't move. But what is this game? I want this. Blump. Oh, fine, my cat is good. So we're going to press. Look, we're going to. I don't know where. To mozzarella. Mozzarella, sorry, mozzarella. Damn, that guy got a chonk. Look at that drunk. Bro, where am I sitting? Where am I sitting? I'm sitting at the toilet. Alright. ساعة 9:30. طيب بعد this video after this video بعد الفيديو I'm just making a video so I will after the video. طيب محتم it's okay, it's my views, my boys, my cool boys, cool. بروح أفرجك. Okay, gonna brush flowers, that's okay. And we have a very bad time. Yeah, we have the very bad time, guys. And I almost cry about it. Bro, don't take off a taxing position. Or maybe. I'm just gonna speed up. Because I'm the Flash, bro. The Flash. Oh, that you just take off with the Air Force One. Like, Air Force One is the second deadliest. There's a Air Force One. I hate Air Force One. It's the worst. I hate it. And I love. Bro, what the heck? Pretend that you saw nothing. Because. Alright, now position to take off and take off. This video is gonna take very long, but it's okay. It's okay. Alright, so look at this beautiful. I wanna make him a beautiful take. Not even a tail strike. Yeah, this game don't have a tail strike, so it's okay. Oh, gutter. Back up. Because I see you. Oh, you're sinking. Bro, look at it. Let me crash you. Huh? Alright. Let's say okay to my mom. Let's crash this dude. I don't want to make a better place. It's so nice. So not nice. So very expensive. Can't even go in. A literally a rich guy can't even go to a single private jet. And Par the best. I think this dude. And that's it for this video. Bye.